This is Marion Roberts. I'm the chairman of the Earth Science Studies Committee for the California Federation of Mineralogical Societies. I've been chairman of this program now for approximately 13 years. It's a educational program in all respects. It's an opportunity for individuals to come to the camp, spend a week for a very minimal fee, but it's an opportunity to come up and try all of the various disciplines in the lapidary arts and decide from this opportunity what you really would like to do. We have people that come up and do some minor production work, but it's not really the focus of our program. It's to get new people started. It's to give the new people an opportunity, like I say, to learn what their particular skills might lead them into. The best thing that I can say is come up and give us a try. This particular camp is on something in the neighborhood of 27 acres. We have dormitories for individuals, both men and women. We have a dormitory that is dedicated to couples. We have large work areas. I think you've probably seen them already or will see them. And we have excellent instructors. The majority of our instructors are Masters Trophies winners in their particular area. So we are doing this particular video in hopes that each and every one of the societies will give their members a chance to see what opportunities there really is and what the CFMS has to offer to you, and particularly, of course, I'm kind of prejudiced with the Earth Science Studies programs. We have two camps. We have this one at just above Clipper Mills, about 45 miles north and east of Marysville, and we also have a one-week camp down on the desert near Baker. Both of them open to all comers. So come and see us.
Everything spread out in the label. If a particular item starts to run out of bidding space, let me know and I'll put another slip on it. On this one, it's on 8, and this one has...
Oh, are you hiding? Fascinating stuff out here. I know it.
Thank you for the money. Just a basic video of it. Just have a seat in the house.
Previous casting, and what we did was it wound up being, we got it pickled, and then we tumbled it, and she's probably going to use this afternoon to recast another piece.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we're up to on that one. I think there's another one in here somewhere. And this will be a pendant. That's where the chain goes.
I'll let you know when they're ready. Very carefully. Because it has a pink blue hue, right? Yeah, I was playing on that. Oh.
I've got room if you want. Put the screw in the handle. Use super glue to do that. You're done. Use more pressure with a little quicker. Don't cut the belt line, don't cut the center.
Back down forward.
Should be great.
I'm going to start with my diamond bowler, and what I have learned is that I need to have this thing already running when it touches my stone. I'm not going to put this on here and then hit the gas. That's backwards. You need to have this running. I hold my stone down with my fingers. I've already made the bulber divot.
I like that.
Thank you.
I've done several things, but my main big thing was educational
I do
television.
too.
I would hope so.
They came to me.
Pleased with the way it turned out.
That's the first one, so that's great.
Wow.
She started it yesterday.
It can be a hassle sometimes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank all of you for participating in our annual Earth Science Workshop here at Camp Paradise.